we're back and the boat is finally ready.
We are very excited and we can't wait to show you the boat.
And his name's Hugo.
Isn't supposed to be a she?
No, not necessarily. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the episode. In today's episode, we'll take you behind the curtains to see how Hugo was built. We managed to get exclusive access to one of Benetton's factories and follow the process from beginning to end in how these wonderful yachts are made. It all starts from a mold. It is lined with gel coat of the color we have chosen at the point of ordering. So believe it or not, the color is the first thing Hugo gets. We went for white because it weathers gracefully. The molds are green to ensure just enough gel coat is applied. This is probably why no one orders a green boat. After the gel coat is applied, the team of people start applying pre-cut sheets of fiberglass in what forms a hull. There is just enough fiberglass applied to each hull, so if there is any left over, you should be worried. Separately, another team builds a frame the same way, which gives boat rigidity and strength. It also supports the keel and keeps it all together. Once the hull is built, it is flipped over and removed from the mold. Extra strength is added and the bottom piece is bonded, and this forms the basis of the boat that is going to become Hugo. The making of the top deck is done out of sequence. The process is so secret we were asked to turn off the cameras, but ultimately the new process saved 600 kilos over the previous model, which in turn will make Hugo a lot faster. There's rigorous quality checks done throughout the entire process and then subsequently fixed. You can see little tabs which mark imperfections which will need to be fixed and buffed out. The boat's engine, interior, plumbing and everything that forms the boat and the inside is put into the boat before the top deck arrives. This ensures that the boat is built fast with efficiency, making it easier, less mistakes are made, and is therefore cheaper. Top deck is then bonded and the work continues, adding deck fittings and furnishings. Anything that can be wrapped is wrapped to keep the new boat feel when it's delivered. Depending where the boat is going, the keel might not even be installed to make it easier to transport. In Hugo's case though, keel was installed at the factory as the boat only had to make a 50-kilometer journey to the famous Barcelona, the home of Vendée Globe, the Solar Underworld race. Once the boat is finished, it is placed in a pool to check for leaks and test all the systems, including the engine. The boat looks like it's floating in air, and that is because there is no weight of the keel or the mast. Looks quite funny. Finished boat is then shrink wrapped and sent to the customer or stored to be delivered when it's time. Hugo is built, so Benetton moves on to the next happy customer. The boat is handed over to the commissioning team, which in our case was Benetton's preferred SAS team in Barcelona.